Welcome back to Phase 3. Now, we didn't capture footage of the actual concrete pour for the new patio extension and walkway, but check out these results. The new concrete looks incredible and gives us a clean, solid boundary to work with. With the concrete set, it's time to prep the ground for the transformation. We're spreading out our gravel base, thoroughly watering the area, and running the plate compactor. Why water and compact? Before we lay down any fabric or artificial turf, we need a rock-solid, stable foundation. Proper compaction prevents future settling and keeps the turf perfectly flat for years to come. Once the base was fully compacted, we gave the entire area a detailed cleanup. We made sure there were no stray loose rocks, debris, or uneven spots left behind. Everything has to be pristine before the weed barrier fabric goes down. Our turf suppliers gave us an exact delivery date, so we had a brief waiting period while the rolls were en route. Right on schedule, the delivery truck pulled up to the job site. As soon as the materials hit the ground that same week, it was go time. We jumped right back into action to get this green paradise laid down. Stick around for the next phase to see this full transformation come to life.